my name is Maggie May, and I am the Social Studies Department Chair at Villa Joseph Marie High School. Welcome to our first virtual open house. I'm so happy you joined us to learn a little bit more about the department from our required courses, our elective courses, and of course our extracurricular clubs and activities, all for the history lovers just like us. Our freshmen begin by studying world history. They can take this at the academic or the AP level. Next, our students will take American Civilization Parts 1 and 2. This takes 2 years to complete and includes American history from the very beginning all the way to the present day, as well as civics and government. Senior year is dedicated to electives. Students can finish any of the graduation requirements that they need to finish, but they now also have space for a lot of the electives we offer, which emulate the college experience. Things like psychology, government, law, and even real history, which is a history through film course. Something exciting that we do every single year is we participate in National History Day. It's essentially science fair for the history department. Our students compete locally and at the state level, which we actually have several students competing virtually this year. The project can be in the form of a visual exhibit, a documentary, a website, a paper, and even a performance. So it's a really cool opportunity for our girls to showcase their talents and to get a taste of what real historical research is like. For the social studies lovers who just can't get enough, we also moderate several clubs within our department. We have Student Council, Mock Trial, National Honor Society, the Future Business Leaders of America, Forensics, and a Supreme Court Club. We hope that you'll join us for a shadow day in the future so that you can really see what it's like to be in our classes. Our goal is always to make history come alive so that you understand why it matters. It's not so much about memorizing dates and facts, but understanding the significance, the so what of it all. We really hope we get the opportunity to meet you soon, and we hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy during this unprecedented time in our nation's history.